Good day, and welcome to the presentation for the Honours Project SALSA, a dance education platform for South Africa. The team for the project was comprised of myself, James Kriel, who worked on the video annotation component, and Anna Dauane, who worked on the step notation component. Issues with current dance education platforms for South Africans are that they can be too expensive, originate from overseas, lack interaction between students and teachers, don't have domain-specific languages to create dances, and more, while in-person classes have the issues of limited space, not every student being seen by the educator, and too little time spent with the student actually dancing for the educator.
Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the need for supplemental tools to enable education at a distance has become prevalent. With the absence of the dance platform to supplement dance education for Afro-Latin dancers in South Africa, we proposed a dance platform comprised of two development tools, the step notation tool and video annotation tool. The step annotation tool allows users to create and edit SALSA dance steps to facilitate dance steps to be translated digitally and simplify the dance documentation. And the video annotation tool allows educators to give personalized feedback on the student submitted videos to allow the element of distance learning to be incorporated into dance education. Annotation tool was developed using Frank's design approach for the domain-specific modeling language using three-phase developed approach. The three phases are as follows: abstract syntax, concrete syntax, and the development of the modeling tool. The evaluation of the step notation was comprised of a user evaluation and an online survey. The online survey was conducted to understand the user preferences of the graphical notation, and if the users are able to understand the SALSA dance diagrams. The user evaluation session was performed to test how effective the tool is.
Development of the video annotation component began with interviews with our partners at Evolution Dance to get requirements and to co-develop a custom annotation vocabulary. Thereafter, the tool was developed with an iterative design methodology in Java for the Android operating system. User evaluations were conducted in 3 stages. First was an introduction and time for the participant to explore the app without assistance. Second was a set of predefined tasks that the participant was requested to complete. And lastly was a post-evaluation survey adapted from the system usability survey, which participants could complete on their own time.
This image illustrates the graphical user interface of the step notation tool. Out and help guidelines is to help the user to understand what the app is about, and the help is to instruct the user how to use the tool. This image illustrates the addition of steps on beat 1. This image represents the graphical user interface with a completed SALSA dance diagram and the available options of the steps. It's possible to add text as illustrated in the image above. Finally, the user is able to name and export the SALSA dance diagram.
The video annotation component has 4 initial sections, accessed using the bottom navigation bar, which display the videos a user can access in each of those sections. They are the feedback creation, view feedback, quiz creation, and student quiz sections respectively. After opening a video in the feedback creation section, a user can interact with the plus icon in Figure 5 to create a new annotation as seen in Figure 6. The start time is pulled from the video, while the user must select one or more categories and body parts for this annotation, along with providing additional annotation text. Additionally, a user can open an existing feedback item to edit or delete existing annotations, as in Figure 7. Using the arrows as in Figure 7 in any section of the app allows all annotation items to be traversed in order of start times, with the video updating to the current annotation's start time. After opening a video in the quiz creation section, A user can use the plus icon in Figure 8 to create a new quiz question as seen in Figure 9. The start time, category, and body part are the same as for feedback annotations, but now quiz questions and answers must be given instead of additional text. Figure 10 displays opening an existing quiz question and has the same functionality as in the feedback section. Figures 11 and 12 display the system response to saving a new or edited annotation and deleting an existing annotation respectively. This ensures a user always knows the state of the application. After opening a video in the View Feedback section, a user can open the feedback items in Figure 13 to see what has been annotated there and traverse between feedback items using the arrows in Figure 14. After opening a video in the Student Quiz section, a user can select a quiz question from a list as in the other sections. An unanswered question will appear as in Figure 15, with the hint button displaying a pop-up giving either the category or body part associated with this question. Answer positions are also randomized each time a quiz is done to ensure users cannot cheat by knowing where the correct answer will be. When a correct answer is selected, only that answer is highlighted in green as in Figure 16. If a wrong answer is selected, it is highlighted in red, while the correct answer is in green as in Figure 17. After all questions are answered, a pop-up displaying the score and guidance on what to do next appears as in Figure 18.
The feedback of the step notation tool was positive, and overall the participants agreed that the tool will be effective in dance education. In addition to that, it is acknowledged that the domain-specific modeling language is more appropriate for the dance teachers than the students due to their knowledge.
The results of the user evaluations showed that navigating between quiz or feedback items for creation or use was an issue as there were no next or previous arrows, but this was fixed as could be seen in the screenshots. Some participants also found there was a lack of clarity on whether feedback was for the entire video or just the timestamp it was on. While these were the major issues, most participants found the feedback feature to be highly useful and believed it would help them improve their dancing. In contrast, while many participants liked the quiz feature, they were unsure how well it would improve dancing as nothing like this had been used before in their experience.
The step notation tool was a success among dance teachers, considering that positive feedback was given, and the step notation tool is the first modeling language for Afro-Latin dances.
In conclusion, the feedback from both the students and teachers was positive, suggesting that these tools could be useful as supplements to social dance education. Although in future it is recommended that additional long-term studies be undertaken to validate the practical effect of using these annotation tools on a student's dancing.